Need Repipe Services in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know aging pipes can cause leaks, low water pressure, and rust-coloured water, issues that can't be ignored. Our Repipe Services provide a long-term solution, replacing outdated pipes with durable PEX or copper, improving water quality and efficiency. Whether you're upgrading from Poly B or dealing with corroded pipes, we ensure a smooth, efficient process with minimal disruption. As a trusted local expert in Edmonton, we understand the city's unique plumbing challenges and provide tailored solutions to keep your home's water system running reliably. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why homeowners trust Kingstree Plumbing for professional repipe services in Edmonton.